Okay, so I was talking about servicing this machine, and because I've been using it for a long time and I've been lazy because of these nuts. So I want to show you how I was able to do mine. You may end up giving yours to your machine myself. I mean how I oil it, how I did the oiling. So at first I've been reluctant to do this before. Okay, so I'm going to start showing you how I did it. So the first thing, I was trying to loosen it from here, but I was having difficulty passing it through this place. You see, I couldn't just find a way to get it to this place. So the first thing I did, I had to loosen it out here. I had to loosen this out first of all. So I took out the knot. So I took it out. I used my screw like this. I seen it, so and it came out. Okay, so the knot is out, and this one came out like this. Okay, you can see that inside like this is a bit dirty. See, I have to clean it. So the next thing I had to do is to take out this one. So how was I able to take it out? I used this long screw, this long screwdriver. This one came with my industrial machine. So okay, so it came like this. You see, it was convenient for the screw to pass through like that. So that's how I was able to take out this one. Okay, so after I took this one out, I think this is the screw. I couldn't locate this one. There's a way this screw, I don't know if there's a way to get a bigger screw. It couldn't come through this, so I had to bend to the machine. Okay, so I had to take this big screw, this big screwdriver. This one couldn't enter through the knot easily, so I had to use this big one, and I screwed it. That's how I was able to screw it out. See it, and it came out. Okay, so you have to make sure that you keep all these ones aside so you don't misplace them. And the next thing is to start brushing this part off. And I forgot to mention that you need to take this one out. Take out this one like this. Listen, if you need me to do a video of how to put it back, let me know. So I'm going to start cleaning now. See, this is what I mean by servicing. So when you want to oil it, I will need to take some time to go. You see, I think they call this thing, is it lint? See the way they're hiding inside this feed though. So that's an example of what came out, affecting my sewing. See it? So I have a lot of them inside here. I see another one has dropped. Oops. That was what was affecting my sewing. So many words. You can get a bigger brush if you are able to. But for me, anything that will make me to go, I'm seeing some knots here. I can take it off too. But anything that will make me to take out more than these 3 knots, I'm not going there. I have to go and look for my engineer. See? So I'm still cleaning it. I've done all these parts. See all these parts. So I'm still looking for where I can find more dirt before we now oil it. At some point I had to put this my pieces inside here to get out the dirt. So you can see this one, those stuffs we clean out came from the thread, I suppose. So you do the other cleaning. This part was neat. So now I want to oil it. So the oiling that we're going to do, we're going to be putting it through these holes. That's through these holes. This hole, any hole available. Then this feed dog also. Put it on these knots. See that? So you see that I've put it in that part, that area. Just make sure that it's enough. Then also on this part, I'm going to be oiling it also. Any part I'm seeing knots on my machine. Okay, I'm going to be putting it through this place. There's a knot here too. Seeing that. And I'll make sure that the oil gets off before I start sewing. So I'm going to couple, I think I'm seeing the oil here. I'm going to couple the machine now. There will be a different video for how to put your bobbin on bobbin case. Yeah. Okay, so there will be a different video for how to fix your so that it can move easily. So there is moving for all the bobbin around that part. Okay, so I want to put it back now. So even this part itself is dirty. Yes, so I have to clean it really well. It's been a while since I serviced this machine. See all of that? Even the body, I have to clean it too. So now, I think what I'm putting back now is this cover. So that I'm still going to put a piece through the. Okay, so something like this. Okay, so then the next thing is to find the nuts. Which one is this nut? I think it's this longer one. So that I'm going to use my screwdriver to put it through. See it? I'm going to screw it now. So I have to make sure that it's tight, doesn't move anymore, so I'll know that yes, I'm done. So now I want to fix this one back in. Let's see it. So you see the dirt is still here. I have to clean everything. See the dirt, so that my machine can serve its purpose well. Oh, I can't do without this machine. It has to be back to life. But this one too. It has to be back to life. Let me see this dirt. It is clear. Okay, so I'm going to also be showing us how to pass this one inside now. You see that? How to pass this one. So I'm going to be doing that in the next video. So your machine is good to go. So you just fix this one and put it in. To show how to pass it. So it's not, you see that it's supposed to align with this. And the nuts also. Remember the location that we remove the nut. So this is the one that aligns this nut and this nut. You see it? So you first of all use your hand and position it like this. You see it clearly? Then I use my screwdriver to pick it back. Okay, so you make sure it's tight so that it doesn't move anymore. Then you also do that for this one. Okay, it's tight. So the next thing I'm going to be doing now is how to put this one back. See it? So okay, so now we have to put this one back now. I'm trying to make it clear so that you can see it. It's a bit trickish, but you can see that it has set. See the way it is. And the next thing also is to put this one back. See this one. See this small. Let me use this screwdriver to point it. This small part. So you put this one inside. That's when it has stayed. And the next thing is to put this one. Put this one. And of course your ruler, your bobbin. And your bobbin, your ruler, you also put it like this. The same way you do for the manual. And you put it in. See that? Cutting my scissors. So this one is locked, so okay, so I want to put this one back in now. See that? The machine is set. So the next thing is this threading. I don't know why I'm doing everything in one video. Look at my thread. You can decide to even put it here. Put it here. Put it like this. Where I didn't do mine. So it's going through this. Going through like this. Then I'm using my flywheel. It's my flywheel to control or handle like this. So I will now put it like this. Are you seeing that? Like this. Like this. See this direction. I ever shown you the arrow. Listen, there's another arrow here also. Listen, this arrow. There's another arrow here also. Okay, so we put it this way. Then to go through this one here, this one is holding it. And the next thing is to pass it through your needle. Something I wanted to show about the needle. Are you seeing the needle? It's quite different from the normal sewing machine. This one is flat. The needle is facing me. You see? So I've passed the needle, so I'll be controlling it with the handle so that it can bring out the one under. See that? So I'm good to go. So that's it. So do you observe this stitch? Look at this stitch of this machine. So this part also. Are you seeing it? So as it's moving, it's following the direction of the way this one is. So you see it? Go to this. It will have zigzag again. This. Are you seeing it? Just as it's shown here. Okay. So this one is for the buttonhole. I have a video on how I did my buttonhole. Are you seeing that it's shown here? See it? So for those people that want to purchase the machine, this is the name of the machine. So whenever you want to go, or even check it online. So this is the name. I hope you enjoyed the video of how I'm using my beautiful machine.